Today I will show you how to create a portable Windows 10 or 11 USB. So what are the benefits of this? Imagine you're traveling, going on a vacation, or heading somewhere for work. You already have a lot of luggage and don't want to carry your laptop. In such cases you can just carry your USB. And if you find a computer at your destination, simply plug in your USB and start using it like your own system. Any data you save on this USB will always remain with you. You can plug it into any computer at any location and access the same data. Apart from that, it offers many other benefits like troubleshooting, data recovery, and more. All you need is USB with 16 or 32 GB storage. So let's now see how to make this portable Windows USB and then practically test how to use it.
Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started.
First, open your browser and download the ISO file for the version of Windows you want. For example, if you want Windows 10, just search Windows 10 ISO. When you open the site, you won't directly see the download option. So here's a trick. Right-click on a blank space on the website and select Inspect. In the box that opens on the right, click the three dots at the top. Then go to More Tools, then Network Conditions. Uncheck the User Agent option, then choose a custom user agent like Chrome OS. Reload the page. Close the Inspect box, scroll down, now you'll see the download options. Choose Windows 10 Multi-Edition, then Confirm. Now choose your language. Click 64-bit and ISO file will start downloading. Now open a new tab and download the Rufus software. Once both files are downloaded, run the Rufus. Choose your USB drive. Now select the ISO file here. Now you can give a name to USB drive here and then click on Start. Here write your username and check these two options. And it will start installing. Once done, close it, then restart your PC and boot it from USB. If you don't know how to boot from USB, I will give you a video link in description that will help you. After booting, you will come to this page, then follow all on-screen steps. And it's done. So guys, any work you do on this USB will be saved automatically. When you're done, safely eject the USB using the icon on the bottom right of screen. The next time you need it, just plug it in anywhere and start using your own Windows.
If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.